Hello. Let's look at Chapter 2 homework. The first question of your chapter homework tests you on the accounting equation. The accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Another way to say it would be everything the business owns less what it owes in liabilities is the net worth of the company or its owner's equity. So, what do we need to do for this question? We need to enter the missing amount. Let's look at the first line, $27,600 minus $5,460 equals $22,140. For question number 2, you're provided with a listing of accounts and asked to prepare an income statement. First, look at each account and decide whether it's an account that is a balance sheet account or an income statement account. For instance, cash is an asset account. You will notice that only fees income, advertising expenses, salaries expenses, and telephone expenses belong on the income statement. Now, fill in the lines of the income statement. Please remember to use the Check My Work feature on the McGraw-Hill site. For question number 3, you're again provided with a listing of accounts, but this time you're asked to prepare a statement of owner's equity and a balance sheet. Let's start with the statement of owner's equity. First, look at each account and decide whether it's an account that is part of owner's equity. Owner's equity starts with the beginning capital balance, then we add the net income for the period and subtract what the owner withdrew. So, start by entering the beginning capital balance as of September 1st. Now, you need to calculate the net income. That means you find the fees income on the listing of accounts and subtract all the expenses. That is your net income. The income is also listed in the problem. Enter that amount on the statement of owner's equity form. Next, we need to enter the owner's withdrawals on the statement of owner's equity. Don't forget to calculate the ending capital balance. Now, we're ready to prepare the balance sheet. Please look at the listing of accounts again. Which accounts belong on the balance sheet? Which ones are assets and are things that the company owns? And which ones are liabilities and things that the company owes? Don't forget to enter the ending capital balance that you calculated in the prior step. And please remember that your accounting equation must still hold true: assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. For question 4, you have transactions that are very similar to the transactions of Eli's Consulting. Your task is to analyze every business transaction and decide what happens to the financial resources of the company. Let's do the first two together. For the first business transaction, the owner invested $89,000 in cash to begin his business. So, the business now has more cash and the owner's share of the business increased as well. Let's write that into the table. The second business transaction that we need to analyze is for the purchase of equipment for $18,150. The business cash decreased, but the business now has more equipment. Let's write plus $18,150 for equipment and minus $18,150 for cash. I hope this quick overview for Chapter 2 homework was helpful. Please remember to use the Check My Work feature on the McGraw-Hill site in the upper right-hand corner for each question. Please click on Return to Question when you are ready to continue. You can also refer to the textbook by clicking on the ebook icon, which is on the left side. You have 3 attempts on every homework assignment, but each attempt will give you new numbers for the assignment. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions.